Hello, this is for Enhancement 9. So I'll go ahead and open up the Acme website here. So this is the home page, and then I'll navigate to the product or a product detail view. So I'll come over here to, let's go to Trap. And then I've uploaded a couple other images to the Anvil product. So I'll click on that one here, and you can see that the images have loaded. So if I resize the screen, you can also see that it looks professional. So we have the thumbnail images here of the other products, or of the other uploads to this product. They're all showing. We go to a small screen, then so we have the main product here, and then all the information, and then we have each of these images here that are for the thumbnails. So everything looks good and is working. If I come back to this size here, I'll go ahead and do an inspect here on this main products image, and you can see that right here at the top of the screen, okay. Well, you can see that the main product is highlighted and it says 520 times 380. So the main product image can't be bigger than 500. The reason that it's showing 520 is because it's including the padding that I have. So I have 10 pixel padding, so, and it adds it twice onto that 500 and the 380. So in actuality, this picture is 500 by 360. And if you come here, you can see this this little window pops up here. It says the natural image size is 500 by 360. So that is showing what the actual image size is without the padding. So that one is working. If I come here to, I'll just close out of this, we'll look at the thumbnail images too. So that thumbnail image is 198 by 200. So once again, the dimensions, the width and height do not exceed 200. So that one looks good. And then we'll just go ahead and look at this one too. Once again, not greater than 200. And that one looks good too. And then just to check it here on like the small screen size as well. Okay. So once again, it's adding the padding to it, so 10 pixel padding. So it's actually, so the side, the width and height do not exceed 200, even though it shows 220. If we were to come here, once again, the natural size is 150 by 200. So all of these are looking good. Lastly, for this, I'll go ahead and validate the HTML and CSS. Okay, so if I come to the screen, I'll open up the page source here, so we get all that PHP turned into just HTML. So I'll validate just the HTML first. Whoa. Sorry, let me try that again. That is CSS, my bad. Okay, there we go. This is for HTML. Excellent, no warnings. So using this page source here, I'll check all the CSS as well. Let me just get out of the HTML one there. Okay, so first we'll check the small CSS. Looks good. I'll close out of the small CSS file. Now we'll open up the medium. didn't do anything to the medium one, so this one should be fine. There we go, that one looks good. We'll close out of the medium, we'll open up the large. That one looks good too. And I'm pretty sure that's everything for the video. Let me just double check here. Okay, last thing. So here in the products detail view, we have these extra images, and they need to be associated with this Anvil product, and evidently they are since it's working here. But I'll look at the PHP My Admin tool, and I'll show that you can see it here as well. So if we go to the images table, I have all of my images showing here. So my Anvil product, its picture is right here, so its inventory ID is 8. So you can see everything down here is also related to the inventory ID of 8. So all of these are connected to the Anvil product. So we have just the Anvil, its main product image, its thumbnail image, and then you'll notice we have a main image and a thumbnail image for the Anvil product ID, and these would be my 2 other thumbnail images. So we have this one named cover photo, and then a second one here called Mount Rainier Me. So you can see that, so we have the main image for Anvil, the thumbnail image for it, and then the main image and thumbnail for my second uploaded picture, and then another main image and thumbnail for my third uploaded picture. And then just so you can see it here, if I come to uploads, so we have the Anvil product, and I uploaded these other 2 pictures, so cover photo and its thumbnail, and then Mount Rainier Me, the main picture, and the thumbnail for that. So it is showing up in the database as well. And I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching.